Welcome to our journey through Roraima, the northernmost state of Brazil. Here in the heart of South America lies a land seemingly untouched by time. A land where ancient geological formations meet vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. Get ready to explore its diverse and pristine natural landscapes, from vast rainforests to stunning savannas and majestic mountain ranges. Roraima, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Dominating the Roraima skyline is a sight that seems to belong more to the realm of myth than reality. This is Mount Roraima, a colossal plateau rising 2,810 meters above the rainforest, its sheer cliffs cloaked in swirling mists. For centuries, this geological marvel has captured the imaginations of explorers and adventurers, inspiring tales of lost worlds and hidden civilizations. The summit of Mount Roraima is a truly otherworldly landscape. Sculpted over millennia by wind and rain, its surface is a labyrinth of sandstone canyons, crystalline rock formations, and bizarre stunted trees. These tipuis, as they are known, are remnants of an ancient sandstone plateau that once covered much of this region. Isolated from the surrounding rainforest, Mount Roraima has evolved its own unique ecosystem. Here, amongst the clouds, life finds a foothold in the most unexpected of places. Carnivorous pitcher plants thrive in the nutrient-poor soil. Their elegant traps a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Endemic orchids cling to the rock face, their delicate blooms a splash of color against the stark landscape. But it is the sense of age, of immense geological time, that truly sets Mount Roraima apart. To stand upon its summit is to stand upon a landscape almost unchanged since the dawn of time. And as the sun sets, casting long shadows across the plateau, one can almost imagine the prehistoric creatures that once roamed this lost world. Roraima is a land where nature reigns supreme, and nowhere is this more evident than in its national parks. These protected areas safeguard some of the most pristine rainforest on Earth, a tapestry of life woven from countless threads. Serra da Moeda National Park is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Towering granite peaks sculpted by eons of erosion pierce the sky. Waterfalls cascade down sheer rock faces, their thunderous roar echoing through the rainforest. And within this verdant embrace, a hidden world of life unfolds. Here, amidst the lush foliage, spider monkeys swing effortlessly through the canopy, their calls a constant soundtrack to the rainforest. Brightly colored toucans flit through the trees, their oversized beaks a testament to their fruit-eating habits. And on the forest floor, leafcutter ants march in their millions, their tireless industry a vital part of the rainforest's delicate balance. Further afield, Vista National Forest offers a glimpse into the heart of the Amazon. Vast stretches of pristine rainforest stretch as far as the eye can see, a sea of emerald green broken only by the winding course of the Branco River. This is a land of superlatives, home to the greatest diversity of plant and animal life on Earth. For centuries, the indigenous peoples of Roraima have lived in harmony with the rainforest. Their lives are intricately interwoven with the rhythms of nature, their cultures shaped by the land itself. The Yanomami, the Makuksi, the Wapixana, these are just a few of the indigenous groups who call Roraima home. Their knowledge of the rainforest is unparalleled, passed down through generations of careful observation and deep respect. They understand the medicinal properties of plants, the migratory patterns of animals, the delicate balance that sustains this complex ecosystem. Their villages, often located deep within the rainforest, are models of sustainable living. They hunt and fish using traditional methods, ensuring the long-term health of the populations upon which they depend. They cultivate small gardens, growing crops that have sustained their people for generations. But the indigenous communities of Roraima face growing challenges. Illegal mining and logging operations threaten their ancestral lands and their way of life. The encroachment of the outside world brings with it new diseases and the erosion of traditional cultures. It is vital that we listen to the voices of these indigenous communities, that we learn from their wisdom and respect their rights. For they are the true guardians of the rainforest, and their future is inextricably linked to our own. Winding its way through the heart of Roraima is the Branco River, a tributary of the mighty Amazon. Its waters, a rich, milky brown, reflect the colors of the rainforest through which it flows. The Branco River is more than just a geographical feature, it is the lifeblood of this region, a vital artery connecting communities and sustaining a wealth of biodiversity. For the indigenous peoples of Roraima, the river is a source of sustenance, providing them with fish, drinking water, and a means of transportation. Dugout canoes, hewn from the trunks of giant trees, ply its waters, carrying people and goods between remote villages. The riverbanks are teeming with life. Caiman bask in the sun. Their prehistoric forms a reminder of the region's ancient past. Giant river otters, sleek and playful, patrol the waterways, their calls echoing through the rainforest. And beneath the surface, a hidden world of aquatic life teems. But the Branco River, like so many of the world's waterways, is under threat. Deforestation and pollution are taking their toll, endangering the delicate balance of this vital ecosystem. It is our responsibility to protect this precious resource, to ensure that its waters continue to flow freely for generations to come. Roraima is our gateway to one of Earth's most precious treasures, the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of emerald green stretching across 9 countries is a symphony of life, a biodiversity hotspot unmatched anywhere else on the planet. Step into its emerald embrace, and you enter a world unlike any other. The air is thick with humidity, the scent of damp earth and decaying vegetation. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. The air buzzes with the sounds of insects, the calls of unseen birds, the rustle of leaves as creatures, large and small, go about their daily lives. Towering trees, some reaching over 60 meters in height, form a cathedral-like canopy, their branches draped in vines and epiphytes. Below, a tangled undergrowth competes for the precious sunlight that filters through. Every inch of space, from the forest floor to the highest branches, is teeming with life. Here you might encounter the elusive jaguar, the apex predator of this realm, its coat a mosaic of rosettes blending seamlessly with the dappled light. Monkeys chatter from the treetops, their calls a constant chorus. And if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a sloth, its movements slow and deliberate, a testament to its low-energy lifestyle. Roraima's diverse ecosystems, from its cloud-shrouded tepuis to its vast rainforests, provide a haven for a dazzling array of wildlife. This is a land where evolution has run wild, producing creatures of astonishing beauty, bizarre adaptations and breathtaking power. In the rainforest canopy, a riot of color unfolds. Macaws, their plumage a dazzling display of scarlet, blue and green, screech through the trees, their calls echoing through the forest. Toucans, with their oversized beaks and comical expressions, feast on fruits, their presence a splash of vibrancy against the emerald backdrop. On the forest floor, a different cast of characters takes center stage. Giant anteaters with their elongated snouts and powerful claws tear open termite mounds, their long sticky tongues lapping up the unsuspecting insects. Tapirs, resembling a cross between a pig and an elephant, browse on leaves and fruits, their shy nature belied by their impressive size. And then there are the creatures of the night. Jaguars, masters of stealth and power, stalk their prey through the darkness, their eyes glowing like embers in the moonlight. Ocelots, smaller but no less impressive, hunt amongst the trees, their spotted coats providing perfect camouflage. Roraima is a land where ancient traditions meet modern influences, creating a vibrant cultural tapestry unique to this corner of Brazil. The indigenous communities, with their deep connection to the land, have preserved their cultural heritage for generations, passing down their stories, beliefs and traditions through music, dance and storytelling. Witness the rhythmic beats of traditional indigenous music, a hypnotic blend of drums, flutes and voices that evoke the spirits of the forest. Experience the energy and grace of their dances, each movement telling a story, celebrating their connection to the land and honoring their ancestors. Explore local markets, where you'll find intricate handicrafts, each piece a testament to the skill and artistry of the indigenous people. From intricately woven baskets and hammocks to colorful beadwork and pottery, these crafts offer a glimpse into their rich cultural heritage and provide a vital source of income for their communities. But Roraima's cultural landscape extends beyond its indigenous roots. The arrival of settlers and migrants from other parts of Brazil has created a melting pot of cultures, adding new flavors to the region's culinary scene, musical traditions and festivals. As our journey through Roraima comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the ancient heights of Mount Roraima to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, this land of dramatic landscapes and incredible biodiversity has captivated our senses and left an indelible mark on our souls. Roraima is a reminder of the raw beauty and power of the natural world, a call to action to protect these precious ecosystems for future generations. Let us carry the spirit of Roraima with us, a commitment to conservation, a respect for indigenous cultures, and a deep appreciation for the wonders of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Roraima. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures into the world's most fascinating places.